People are trapped in emotional strongholds. As we get up in the morning, some people say, Lord, thank you for this morning. And some people who are trapped in the emotional strongholds, they say, oh Lord, it's morning. Isn't it? That's how some different people react to different situations in our life. Some people say, I feel hopeless. I feel worthless. I feel helpless. You feel that you cannot shake out this negativity from your life, that you feel you are trapped in. Yes? It is an attitude of actions that hold you against the will of God. God did not ordain us to wake up every morning feeling depressed, feeling down. He did not want us to be paralyzed with fear every day. And what happens is that this emotional groove gets dug in the mice because Satan has recorded this as a tape. And he has this finger on this rewind button. So whenever he wants to go against you, he presses this rewind button and you go over and over and over again. Like, you know how a turntable works, right? If it gets stuck, it goes over and over and over again. That's what Satan does to us. But hear me people, emotion does not have intellect. Emotions are actually dumb. They don't think. Emotions have to borrow the thoughts. And emotions respond to only what we think. So, if the devil controls your thoughts, he will control your emotions. But if you go by the will of God, God will have control over you and your emotions. Amen? That's why Jesus said in John chapter 8 verses 31 and 32, you will know the truth and the truth will set you free. Amen? If anybody led a depressed life due to his past, it would have been Joseph. If you see, he was from a dysfunctional family. His brothers sold him, his own brothers sold him to slavery. And they told his father that Joseph is dead. Joseph was in prison for 13 years for something that he had not done. And the person who was supposed to bring out Joseph, he forgot that he was there in the prison. He had to wash, but in fact, years later when Joseph got to meet his brothers, he wept bitterly. He wept bitterly. And he had to wash his face to hide his tears. Because this is a history of the past that can lead to emotional strongholds. There will be trials, there will be tribulations. But there is someone who is greater in this world than us. Yeah, it says in John chapter 16 verse 33, in the world you will have tribulations. And this is not me saying, it's from the Bible. In the world you will have tribulation, but take heart, I have overcome the world. Who is saying this? Jesus. Amen.